The Electrical Department of FCRIT welcomes prospective students. The Managing Director of our institute is Reverend Father Saturnino Almeida. The Principal of our institute is Dr. S.M. Koth, who completed his PhD from IIT Bombay. The HOD of Electrical Department is Dr. Bindu S., who completed her PhD from VJTI. The Electrical Department has been offering undergraduate programs since 1994, starting with an intake of 40 and increased to 60 by the year 1995. We also offer ME in Power Electronics with an intake of 18 and PhD program. Currently, the undergraduate electrical engineering program is NBA accredited. The department offers interactive and encouraging atmosphere, innovative learning aids like smart classroom for easy understanding, industry-oriented learning to keep up with the current trends, individual attention to each student's performance, and R&D to ensure creative and progressive mindsets. Department of Electrical Engineering has 16 teaching faculties and 5 technical non-teaching staff. More than 80% of faculty are having experience of 15 years and above. Field of specializations of faculty are power system, power electronics and drives, electric vehicles and microgrid control systems. Faculty research includes consultancy projects and sponsored projects. Following pictures represent sponsored and consultancy projects done by the faculty of the Electrical Department. Our students are placed in some of the most reputed and well-known electrical companies across India. Some of them are shown here. Placement records of the last 3 years are shown here. 70% of students are placed every year, while 10% students opt for higher studies. The department has well-equipped laboratories, R&D lab and project lab, licensed softwares like MATLAB, ETAB, PLC, SCADA, smart and spacious classrooms, high-tech switchgear lab with the donated equipment from L&T. DSPs for the enhancement of practical knowledge have been donated by Texas Instruments. The college infrastructure is built and equipped with seminar halls, smart classrooms and more. Classrooms are well ventilated with sunlight. Each classroom is equipped with projectors, smart board and a computer for smart learning teaching process. Electrical department has 11 labs with each maintained by separate lab assistants. All the practical sessions are performed under the experienced supervisors. Each lab has multiple setups for individual performance. Safety measures include fire extinguisher, smoke detector, water sprinklers and rubber mats laid in all the labs. These are the labs of our department. Electrical students are members of various associations. One of them is Electrical Engineering Student Association, also known as ESA, which is managed by students and guided by the faculty coordinator. ESA conducts various seminars, quizzes, project competitions and workshops. ESA releases technical magazines every year, along with doing technical activities and social activities. The department has 2 professional students chapter, Institute of Engineers India, Students Chapter India, IEEE Students Chapter called IEEE CRIT. IEI launches newsletters every year. IEI organizes technical events like quiz competitions, mini project competitions and technical competitions, which broadens the mindset in technical directions. IEEE CRIT Students Chapter's core purpose is to foster technological innovation and excellence for the benefit of humanity through various activities such as the national level technical paper presentation competitions, workshops from industry experts, and by professors from various national as well as international technical institutes. Being a part of this club gives a huge exposure to the outside fast-paced world. The department organizes a one-day seminar under the name With Youth by eminent speakers and experts from industries for students based on the trending topics in the industry. The department organizes industrial visits to core companies like MLDC Kalwa and Bosch Goa. L&T Electrical and Automation, Dole Motors, etc., through which students are able to relate theoretical knowledge to practical applications, which flattens the learning curve. Department organizes national level project competition Avishkar, where various colleges participate. Final year project, the ultimate test for an engineering student. Projects done in the department are software based and hardware based. There are dedicated labs for the students to work beyond college hours. Industrial projects are also allowed by the department. Here are some of the best projects by the batch of 2018-19. Final year students prepare their projects, which are in the form of posters and presented to judges, teachers and students. Over the past 26 years, faculty members of department have won awards like the prestigious POSOCO Award and Best Paper Awards and number of citations in Google Scholar, Web of Science, etc. for their publications. Such dedication from faculty members have always motivated students, and as a result, students have achieved university ranks, PhDs and postdoctorates from IITs and reputed universities in India and abroad, scholarship from IEI, Tata Foundation, INI and several other achievements. The electrical department has renowned alumni working around the globe. Students are actively involved in social works under the banner of NSS FCRIT, Unnat Bharat Abhiyan, Ek Bharat Shresht Bharat. These are some common facilities in FCRIT.